What kind of his recording? Hope it's recording.
Looks like it is. Try to make sure you face, out there.
Okay.
Face, face that direction. Have fun out there. Turn your thing and show the tables and stuff that way.
Well, that's why I have to go like this.
Yeah.
Because that's what he told me to do. Just keep it on and the interesting stuff.
When you get into a month, 3 months, then you're like,
You have good taste.
I'm at the Northwest Garage Sale, Vintage Sale. And this is the stuff that they have. These items are pretty cool. Oh, Shirley Temple.